Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to add pins to your Pinterest board. So let's open our Pinterest app. And here, let's go to our account and go to the Siduck board. Now there are two ways you can add a pin to your Pinterest board. You can either add a photo or a pin from your device. To do that, click on Add, then click on Pin. Here, let's go to All, let's select this Siduck image, and you can either add a title, add topics, you can tag products, and here, as you can see under Pick a Board, Siduck is already selected, so I can just hit Create Pin, and the image will be uploaded here. Another way you can add pins to your Pinterest board is by selecting any pins from the vast selection of pins that Pinterest has to offer. Just find the pin you like, click and hold, and then click on Save. And here you can select your board. Now if I go to my board here again, here you will see the pin that I saved recently. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.